like an armpit. The raccoons, be gone. I'll give you an exit. Maybe Steven blew his nose and there's a Kleenex with a bogey on it. Guess where I am? Yep, Monkey Wrench Mike here at Copart and loving it every single step. Yes, I have so much fun when I come out here at Copart. They let me wander around and look at all kinds of cars. We've got the Pontiac Vibe, kind of, well, are you a Mercedes guy? Kind of like me. This is the C300 4MATIC. They have a little bit of everything out here, but this next vehicle is something I haven't seen in a while, and I'll show you what makes it very unique. So you want to go boondogging in your Lexus. Look at this. This is fantastic. The body looks amazing. The tires and the wheels look amazing, all right? We're missing a hood. Not a big deal, but skip that. Okay, well, you need a windshield. Okay, forget about that as well. Maybe there's some damage. It's getting worse and worse. Maybe there's some more damage right up here. Now, this is open to the elements. Has it been open to the elements for a long time? I don't see spider webs. I don't see rats or mice that have moved in. I don't, which is a good sign. And the engine cover right there is going to protect a lot of the electrical parts of the engine. This is lifted high into the sky. Look at those tires. Toyo AT Open Country. Look at the size. 285, 75, 17. 285s. And she's got a good lift on her. She really does. And I think it was done right. Those tires have a little bit of tread. There is some cracking on these. The front ones have more tread. So they bought two front ones and put them on the front. They moved the front ones to the back. That's what I think they did. I mean, there's a little bit of wear and tear. No huge issues at all. Get yourself a gold hood and you are golden. Uh-oh, we're missing something. Look at this. Oh, here's your hood. Let's take out the seats and drop. Oh. Oh, the smell. It's like an armpit. Oh, there is definite water getting in somewhere. This hood, it could be fine. It could be perfectly fine. So you need some seats. Absolutely. That cover goes right there. It's the smell. Oh my gosh. What's it like up front? Oh. We just need to open this up and air it out a little bit. So you, oh yeah. This is cracked. It's been sitting in the sun for a long, long time. Let me sneeze. My body just didn't know how to handle it. Okay, we're going in though. There could be some issues on top. Is that what it is? Let me get up here. Oh yeah. Here's you're missing the glass for your moonroof. And see, there's water. There's standing water right there. So water is definitely getting in. And they've used this to tow things. Absolutely. Okay, so you need a back seat, a windshield, and a moonroof. And you'd be fine. Let me back this up a little bit. There we go. Have you noticed something though? She's got power. She does. And oh, this smell is terrible. What do you think? Is she going to start? What are the chances? I say pretty good. Like a champ. Okay. She has 248,000 miles on her. We've got an oil change at 200 and something up there. I can't really read it. We have the air on. Automatic. And it's cold. This old girl's got cold air. She has been run through the mud, left. I love it. I want this. Oh, if there's a car that deserves to come back, listen to the engine just purr. What did we listen to? Oh, nothing on the radio. That's okay. Oh my goodness. What happened to you? Here, listen to the exhaust. That's not a normal Lexus exhaust. I don't know what this means. And the engine, look at that. Smooth as can be, and your timing belt was replaced. 6 of 21, 620 at 181,000 miles. You got 250, so at about 30,000 miles you need it again. But she's as smooth as can be. This is what Lexus does best. They create vehicles that'll take you through the mud. Oh, I love it. Fix this. You're missing some pieces of your bumper, but who cares? Those tires are going to be expensive to replace, but who cares? This is nice. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Do you have a trailer hitch too? Could you imagine me pulling up in this? There is. There's a gigantic trailer hitch. Oh, I forgot they open this way. I forgot. Look at all the room for stuff. I wouldn't even need a back seat. I could put all my junk here, take it to the dump. My tires would get me up and down the dump, anywhere I want to go. This would tow anything I asked it to. And I'd be cruising with air conditioning and a great sound system, because they do have some great sound systems. Oh, well, you know what I'm going to say next. Mikey likes. I love it. Okay, so I am actually going to write this down. This is fantastic. Oh, yes. It's going to take a couple of days to air it out. See, even water is right here. So water's coming in. I'm sure the drain canals right down through here are all clogged. But she's a survivor. She is absolutely a survivor. So, ooh, thank you for your service. Is the reputation deserved? Well, this is a 2013 Dodge Dart. And already, after 11 years, you're missing the top part of your dash. I've heard some really horrible things about these. You get the cheap wheel covers. You get all-season tires right here. It's blue over black. And this part of your dash is already missing. As far as body damage, I don't see much. I see another hubcap that is missing. There is some damage in the back, like right through here. This isn't too bad. Well, you're missing 3 of your 4 hubcaps. Let's take a look at the inside. Oh, wait a minute. Is that a dog or is that... Look at the prints. Is that a dog print or like a raccoon? I hope it's a dog. I hope the raccoon is gone. I hope there's not a raccoon in there. Come on out, little buddy. Come on out. Do you see a raccoon? No? Okay. Wow. All right. Ugh, she's dusty. She is a dusty, dusty girl. On the front, no damage, no damage, no damage. So why are you here? The lost type is unknown. And it is an insurance company. So let's kind of hop in and just see what's going on. Raccoons, be gone. I'll give you an exit. I think those are dog prints anyway. Okay, let's just see what happens. We have power. We have 114,000 miles. We have a broken bottom part of the dash. Okay, come on, baby. She's got a go fast exhaust on her. And by go fast, I mean they just cut something off, it sounds like, and put a cheap little... Oh, I just fixed the bottom of the dash. Okay, that's good. License, what does it say? License plate off? What was that? I missed it. Oh, we're listening. This country? Okay, we're listening to some country, so it's probably dog prints. In the back, we have a Mobile One Walmart oil change due at 104,000. What did this have? 114, so I think you're due for an oil change. You need to clean all this off. We got the check engine light is on. We've got reverse. We've got forward, which is great. Well, what is the check engine light on for? I don't know, but the exhaust certainly sounds different. Yeah, these are very inexpensive, and all the kids try to soup them up a little bit. I don't see an exhaust. I don't see an exhaust, a tailpipe. Well, that could be one of the reasons. This seems to be pushed in a little bit. Maybe she was buckled in. Huh. Will it open? Where is your trunk baton? We got the AC is on. It is blowing cold. Yeah, let's let that run for a little bit. Cool things off. I don't see it. There's your gas. Where's the trunk release? Are you in here? No. Okay, well, be sure to let me know where the trunk release is on a Dodge Dart from 2013. This little cap would be so easy to replace. Just order a new one and go to the junkyard and replace it. You could probably spend $10, maybe $20, and get that thing fixed. I really don't know. Okay, so we're gonna look for, oh, here's the hood. Let's see what the engine looks like. And here it is, in all of its little glory. Okay. What does this have in it right here? 1.4 liter. Okay. Oh, the battery looks to be a little off. The battery is a little askew. Maybe it's an H6. It looks to be a little large for the area right there. Someone's been in here doing things. You can check because all of your fuses are there, and that's been open. But the engine seems to run okay. Not bad. I mean, you've got coolant. Your brake fluid looks okay. The coolant is still green. That's all right. So someone did something to it. Well done, Dodge Dart. I'm impressed. All right, this car was made just for Steven. You don't believe me? It's got his name on the window, on the windshield right there. Yep, 2020 Hyundai Accent. You're looking for something cheap for your college student to get to and from class? This could be it. Yeah, this is 2020, so this is the new design. It should have a 1.6 liter, 120 horsepower, engine. I think it got like 33 miles. That's a thing, okay? So we got to deal with this, and we got to deal with the missing window right there. Tires look good, though. They look really good. I don't see any damage on this. Wow, okay. Hopefully nothing happened inside to Steven right there. I do not see any damage at all. Okay, they made these until 2022. They always said they were kind of sluggish, but they returned good gas mileage. It's an okay looking car. I mean, it's an Econo box, but that's all right. We have an owner's manual. We got some poster board. That may be why. I just see a lot of dirt, a lot of food. I see like a little gold thing sparkling down there. I don't know why we have a biohazard. Maybe there's a Kleenex. Maybe Steven blew his nose and there's a Kleenex with a bogey on it. I don't know. We have lots of drinks, lots of soft drinks. Oh, Steven ate in his car. He ate a lot. Reese's Pieces, yes sir. And he leaned way back, way back. 39,000 miles on her. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this part has come off. Uh-oh. Well, look at your key holder. Let's see if this is even gonna work. All we gotta do is turn it. Yeah, that's all we got to do. Okay, well that's good. 39,000 miles. You get a little bitty display right here. If you hear something, it's the bag covering the window blowing in the wind. This engine runs good. You're almost out of gas though, Stephen. Okay, let's see if she's gonna go. Yeah. Yeah, why are you here? This is a nice little car. Let's check the air conditioning. It's getting warm out here already. It's supposed to be the hottest summer on record this time around. We're listening to 92.9. Yep, there you go. I think that's called the river here. We have more Reese's Pieces. Stephen liked his Reese's Pieces and his crackers. There are cracker crumbs everywhere. AC is cold. Windows absolutely going to work. You know, I'm wondering what Stephen has in his trunk. Let's check the hood. Is there even a button for the trunk? This is always the great debate. I can never find these buttons. Maybe there's just, you can go back in the back and do it. Yeah, because I don't see anything up through here. Let's just check it out. And there are lots of Kleenex back there, so maybe Stephen had a nose issue. No. Why I'm failing so much on these. Here we go, down here. There it is. Oh, here's part of your key. Yeah. Let's see what we've got in the trunk. More Reese's Pieces. Well, more food. Ooh, he liked all kinds of stuff. He liked his protein, and he liked his energy drink. Alani Cherry Slush energy drink. That's what all the cool kids drink these days. And what is this? Ooh, this is the good stuff. Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. Ooh, it actually smells pretty good. Okay, nice choice, Stephen. Although kind of feminine. Let's see what the engine looks like and sounds like. $39,000 miles, solid as a rock. It's a 2020, 3 years old. What could be wrong with it? 39,000 miles. That's where they spilled some oil when they were changing the oil. This is nice. It is quiet. You've got washer fluid. Brake fluid is still kind of, it's not black. That's good. Coolant goes in there. I can't see it. Oh, this would be a good buy. Absolutely. I think Stephen kind of maintained it when he wasn't eating in it. But if you're looking for a nice little commuter car, this could be it. Well, the lost type on Stephen's car was listed as side damage. I just see the window. I really don't see that much wrong with it. That's okay. Anyway, if you're interested in Stephen's car or any of the cars out here, except the Lexus, don't bid on the Lexus. I want that one. I really do. You can check out the app for Copart. They're also online, copart.com. You can join, you can bid on these cars, and you can save, like I always say, a ton of money, and they will deliver it to your door. All right, a big thanks to everybody here at Copart for letting me come out and check out the cars. Big thanks to Stephen, and of course, everybody else, and a huge thanks to you for watching these videos. All right, everybody, we'll see you again very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.